In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in a MailChimp email. If you want to share a document, guide, menu, brochure, or any other downloadable file with your audience, MailChimp makes that process pretty simple once you know where to find the upload area. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic flow so you can get your file into MailChimp and make it ready to use in your email content. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main navigation. MailChimp has a lot of tools, but for this task, we're only focusing on the area where your files and media can be managed. Next, click on Content. This section is where MailChimp stores images, files, and other assets that you can use in your campaigns. If you've never uploaded a file before, don't worry. This is the right place to organize the items you want to include in your emails. After you open the content area, look for the Upload option and click it. This is the section where you can attach your file by first adding it to MailChimp's Content Studio. When the upload window appears, simply locate the file on your computer. You can browse through your folders, select the correct document, and upload it. Make sure you choose the final version of the file before uploading, especially if it's something your audience will download. It's a good idea to double-check the file name as well, so it's easy to recognize later when you use it in your email. If needed, wait a few moments for the upload to finish completely before moving on. Once the file is uploaded, it will be available inside your MailChimp content area. From there, you can use it when building your email, typically by linking text or a button to that uploaded file. The main part of this process is getting the file into MailChimp correctly, and that all starts in the Content section with the Upload option. That's all you need to do to attach your file and prepare it for use in a MailChimp email. As a quick tip, keep your files clearly named and organized so they're easier to find in future campaigns. This can save you time if you regularly send downloadable resources to your subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to attach a file in MailChimp email.